Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about. Hello friends, what are appetite suppressants? Appetite suppressants include, in appetite suppressants, we have melanocyte stimulating hormone. Appetite suppressants include melanocyte stimulating hormone. They are melanocyte corticotropin releasing hormone. They are melanocyte stimulating hormone, melanocyte corticotropin releasing hormone, then leptins. These are appetite suppressants. Thank you for watching. Thank you and thank you for watching.